Tiruvir hits and flops all movies list. Number 1 Bommala Ramaram released in 2016 flop. Number 2 Gaji released in 2017 super hit. Number 3 Ye Mantram Vesave flop. Number 4 Shubhalekhalu released in 2018 flop. Number 5 Mallesham released in 2019 super hit. Number 6 George Reddy released in 2019 average. Number 7 Palasa 1978 released in 2020 super hit. Number 8 Tug Jagdish released in 2021 flop. Number 9 Masuda released in 2022 super hit. Number 10 Pareshan released in 2023 flop. Number 11 The Great Pre-Wedding Show released in 2025 super hit. Number 12 Papam Pratap released in 2026 average. Next upcoming movies Bhagavantudu O Sukumari.